Hey Steph and Cara, this is where we had dinner last night. Thanks guys for our lovely birthday present. It overlooks the water and the lights shine on the water and it's really pretty.
Yeah, just over there. And these are all lava rock ponds.
Yeah.
So they've got they've got turtles and
a hammerhead and other sharks in there.
Little reef sharks and
it's really cool.
A manta ray as well. We tried filming it last night, but it was too dark.
And it's all lit up at night and it's really, really pretty. It's the best dinner we've had since we've been in Hawaii.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Thank you.